and welcome to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this yummy Hawaiian macaroni salad. This one is so easy to make. It's just a few simple ingredients. It's a really good one to have. You can make it ahead of time for barbecues or even for Easter dinner. This one is just a really great recipe, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna get this party started by slicing up our celery, which is gonna be diced really nice and fine for this recipe. I like to just cut mine in strips and then just dice it up. And then next we're gonna grate our onion. This is optional. You don't have to add onion. I like it in there for flavor, but you're just gonna grate this and use a paper towel just to like blot some of the water out that comes with the onion. Next, you're just gonna peel one carrot and then grate it on the grater. This adds a nice sweetness to the recipe. Okay, next we're gonna be making our elbow macaroni. We're gonna be cooking a full pound, 16-ounce package of elbow macaroni. And just make sure that your pot is large enough to where you can fit all the pasta in without it like overflowing or all that drama. Once that pasta water comes to a boil, go ahead and add in your pasta and just cook them until al dente. I like to add a little bit of olive oil and salt in just to help with the noodles not sticking together. Okay, so as our pasta is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and get the sauce ready for this macaroni salad. I absolutely love it because it's a lot like coleslaw. It's like that tangy and sweetness. I love it. So we're gonna go in with some mayonnaise. We've got a full cup, and I like to use Hellmann's for this recipe. I know, I'm from the South, it's like a total sin, but you can use whatever your favorite is. I'm a Hellmann's girl, so I'm going with that. I've also got some whole milk. Pour that in. Some apple cider vinegar. A little salt and pepper. And white sugar. Some people use brown for this. I like white sugar. And we're just gonna whisk away until this is nice and creamy. No chunks of mayo. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just add in another half a cup of mayo. I want it just a little bit creamier. This is gonna go in the fridge until our pasta's done. Make sure to stir your noodles every once in a while. These ones love to stick together. Once that pasta is cooked, we're gonna go ahead and drain it in the sink in a colander and just rinse it with some cold water. And then give it a nice shake to get all that water out. Add it into your bowl with the carrots, celery, and that grated onion. And then you're gonna stir this up and let this cool off a little bit before you pour the sauce on the top. Then you're just gonna pour over the sauce. I like to do it in about 2 different batches. And I know it looks like a lot of mayonnaise, but it actually isn't, and it soaks into the pasta really good. It's not soupy at all when you serve it. And just make sure to mix it really good. This is so yummy. Now you want to refrigerate this for about 2 hours before serving, and that's it. This recipe is so easy. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you decided to make it. Thanks so much, and be sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together. I will see you next time. Bye.